Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to block downloads through custom permissions. So like I said in the last video that we will be covering topics on how to block download through various methods. So in this method, we will be seeing how to block the downloads through custom permissions. So in order to do that, I have created this one test demo site. Okay, this is one of our demo site and let's see how we can create a custom permission label. And in here, I will click on permission label so that I can create a new permission label. So I will just click on permission label. Okay. So I can select any permission. Okay. Let's select this permission, this design. Okay. In this design permission, you can download the content as well. But our main goal is to block the download. Okay. So in order to block the download, there is one particular setting which we need to uncheck, which is this one under list permissions. So we need to unselect the open permission, the open item. Okay. This particular open item permission is basically responsible for the user to download the content. So if I just unselect it, okay, it will unselect this view version as well. But if I select the delete version once again, unselect and delete, and select it once again, the view version will be enabled automatically. Okay. So this open item is being unchecked on list permissions. So I will just click OK. I'm all set. Click on create. Oh, the permission name is not given yet. I will just give it right away. Design no load. Okay, this is the permission level I have created. Now click on create and for check the downloads. Okay, I will go back to permissions once again and click on grant permission. I will select one of the user. Let's say select Elena Shepard. Okay, click on show options and in here I will select this one, the one which I've created just now, which is design no download. I will click on share. So this site is being shared with Alina. Okay. And let's see how it is working right now. I will just copy it. Okay. I have the user opened up in a different window altogether. This is Alina Shepherd. And now let's access the site through this account. Okay. This demo, I will just open it and let's create one document here. Okay, I'll go back to the main account. This is the domain account or the admin account, and we will just click on Word, and the document will be created. Okay, so it's creating the document for me, and I think it's okay. We can just close this, refresh it, or the document is here. Now let's go back to the account of the users, the arena. Okay, the document should be here anytime. Okay, now the document is here. I will select this document and I'll see if I have the option to download the document. Okay, in here I do not have any option to download. Okay, and even I click on ellipsis. Let's see if I have the download option here. You see, I do not have the option to download it. Okay, and if I want to check the how it works on a different permission, let's say how this download works in our default permission. So I'll just go back to the permissions once again, the site permissions, okay, and the advanced permission settings. Select this user, edit, and I will, instead of no design, I will make it like design, right? Let's click on. So this user should be able to download the content now. Okay. Let's come back. The download option is showing up here. Okay. On the left hand side, the download option is showing up here. So you see that this is the main difference between a custom permission and the default permission. In the default permission, you are getting the option to download. But when we created a new custom permission, we unchecked the open item setting and save the permission. Okay, after saving that, the user was not able to download the content. Okay, this is one way. through which you can block the download. You can just create permission level and can block the downloads. Otherwise, there is one other option as well. Okay. If you do not want to create a custom permission level, what you can do is just upload a document in a library. Right now, this particular library, okay, is inheriting the permission from its parent. Let me show you. I will just click on library settings here. Okay. More library settings, permission for this document library. Okay. And you can see that this library is inheriting the permission. Okay. And what I want that the view permission, okay, the view permission should be here so that I can assign the view permission directly. Okay. But if you see here, okay, there is no view permission. Okay, if you see there is no view permission, and if I go back, let me show you one more thing. If I click on grant permission, I will click on show options. Okay, I do not have any view permission here. All right, but there is one trick here. Okay, this library does not inherit any permission, but the moment I click on share, this particular share option, or the moment I click on manage access, there is one specific permission which is called restricted view get activated the moment you click on this manage access button or this share button. Okay, so let me show you quickly. If I just click on share, okay, and then I will go to the library settings, this one. Okay, was inheriting the permission from the site itself. Okay, so now let's see what happens if I just click on it, edit user permission. Okay, now you see that restricted view is showing up here. All right, the restricted view is showing up here. I can cancel it, right? But the thing is that this restricted view permission does not show up in the permission level. It's a kind of a hidden permission level, but it does not show up in the permission level itself. It only shows up when you try to give permission to any user. I can just click on grant permission, right? And you can see that restricted view is showing up here. Okay, and this restricted view again do the same thing. Let me show you quickly. I just click the user, select the permission, and restricted view, right? You see, can be viewed in the browser but cannot be downloaded. I'll just save the settings, go back to the user once again, right? Refresh it. Okay, and let's check back again. You can see that it has only read item, like the read only permission does not have the download option. Now you can go ahead and give this restricted view permission to anyone. All right. Uh, so this is these are the two options through which you can access or the share icon. The restricted view gets enabled automatically. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you like the content. If you do like it, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Okay, and if you have any doubts, then leave your doubts in the comment box. So try this at your tenant and come back to me if you have any doubts. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning. Goodbye.